Right, so what we're going to do now is I'm just going to show you how to adjust the shifter and how to get the best out of it to feel the feel, because you can mess with it. So we'll go ahead with that now. We'll explain a bit about these adjusters on the handle. So what we've got is two thumb wheels. Now, if you over tighten these and do it too much, chances are you'll knock off the switches because you'll restrict the travel. But by playing about with these while you've got the screen open on Windows, you can adjust it to suit yourself. So if you want a big pull back, bang, you can adjust that so it's got more travel, more preload. And if you're like most people, you want a shorter downshift. So you tighten that in. That will limit your downshift. It also adds a little bit more tension to the shift, so it feels a bit heavier. It also quietens it down. So if you've got noise, if you're making a noise and your neighbours are complaining, the more you have these screwed in, it tends to dampen. You can hardly hear that now. So while I'm doing this, I'm also checking that the screen, that it's still activating the sensor to change gear. As you can see, it's still there, but if I overdo it, there. So back that off a bit. There we go. Now we're back to normal. So if you want a big pull, as I say, on the back, wind that one completely off. And you can hear it's a lot louder. So these act as a cushion. And as you can see, they also arrest any bounce. So we've seen plenty of shifters out there, and the chain, and that'll still be wanging about. That won't do it. Well, just a bit about what's inside. That is your only adjustment, and as I say, you have to use it in conjunction with that or with your game, so you can make sure that you don't overdo these, and it cancels out the sensor. So it's quite easy to use it in that method. Just pull and let go. Push it, let go, push it. But let it centralise itself, so it then centralises all the mechanism in here. So what we've tried to do is, this is a unique mechanism that we've got in here. I'm not going to give too much away. It's pretty simple, but it's very, very effective. It's taken a while to develop it. So there is a series of springs, balls, and you'll feel the weight of, let's call it the gear, the blank, a gear blank, as it moves forward, which is driven by, once you've taken that tension up. And also, you'll realise there's no click back. There's your click, and you just get a little as it settles again depending on these. So you can, and that's it. And that's how a sequential works.